So yes, Mangesh, you can start and you can unmute yourself and we can go one by one as everybody wants to give a feedback.
Yeah, first of all, thank you. And I would feel like it's not the evening or a night, it's a morning. I believe that. I think we should have connected at a 12. So the energy, what you have been like instilling in all of us, and in last this 10, 12 years, what you have accomplished, it's really inspiring.
Thank you.
And I can tell you something that I could not restrict myself. I started watching the video and I watched it for 5, 10 minutes. And I immediately called my two daughters and I made them sit with me and listen to
Okay,
the video. So
great.
I believe that these thoughts, what you shared, this should be, I think, in the in someone's mind should be instilled from the very inception age where they are in schools and all. And I heard you making some like very bold statements in terms of current our education system and all. So I really echo with you, and I feel I feel those are the realities of life, because we are the generation. I think uh, I am very much amazed to see at the age of 33 what you have achieved. Though I am of 40 now, but after watching that video, I went to my 20s and I felt like that I'm restarting something. So I believe that we we are from a generation where we have seen that very difficult times, and when we have achieved the things on our hard work and sincere work and all. But there are the times are changing now. You should adapt with the trends. You should learn what's happening outside the world, and you are bringing those platforms to all of us, irrespective of what age we are. And that's very commendable. I can confess one thing to you, that I watched your session in the mid of April, and I just delayed joining the 12th batch. 24th, I could not join. That was your birthday, I guess, 24th April. And
Okay.
later on, when I again started receiving your emails, so your emails are like a daily boosters to the people who wants to do something in a digital world. So then I could not restrict myself. So it's a really great initiative what you have taken, Deepak sir, and I wish you a great success. And we are there with you. Possibly whatever small contribution we can do after becoming expert from this internship, we will definitely put our level best to make it happen. Thanks a lot.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you for being part of the program. And this is just a beginning of the journey. So excited.
Thank you.
So I will just call the names one by one, and let's also keep it short. Let's keep it like, maybe a minute or two so that everybody gets a chance to interact. I think next Ajay can go, and then I will come to Nikhil Sharma. You can unmute yourself.
Hi, Deepak sir. Thank you for the it's been fantastic. I would say, Shah Rukh Khan said, वो 70 minute आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता. It's like that, 1 minute that will change your life. And like you rightly said, it's about learning, and it's about, taking the human race forward. So what are you contributing? What are you learning? What are you contributing? I think those key aspects that you have asked us to challenge our own foundations through this video. And I guess that's one thing that I'm going to, that's been very personal to me. And like you said, the 2.0, becoming the 2.0 is what I believe is one of my key takeaways from here. I'm sure there are like plenty of takeaways I've written. I don't think 1 minute or 2 minutes can really encapsulate that. But yeah, I guess, I would look at you as, Coach Kabir, who's there, and we all are your players. And I'm sure this is going to be a fantastic ride for each one of you, and for for each one of you, the community also, to grow, pull each other up, pull, whatever it takes to get that success. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for being part of the program. Nikhil Sharma.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And once again, good evening to all my friends. I'm personally, I think I'm one of those persons who's going to wait for the marshmallow, but I'm also the same person who will then take more than one marshmallow if he waits. Just like Mangesh sir, I also was about to join the previous batch at around your birthday time, but due to some circumstances, I could not. So when I got this opportunity, I joined. I think I've subscribed to your email newsletter from 2017. Since that time, I've been following, but that time I used to be in a job just like you. You left in 10 months or something. Similar thing happened to me during that phase also. So I changed a few jobs and I wasn't able to find my calling. So I wasn't able to find where I belong. So it's good to be here, and I think I'm in the right place now.
Great, great. Glad to know that. Thank you. Abhishek Sonavane.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. Well, I would like to say this is such an awesome video. Like 2 hours continuously, I did not even take a break. I was just laser focused and kind of listening to the concept. I mean, I have never been very focused about things, but this was like gold, so many golden nuggets that it was just difficult to, write them down and point them down. I was literally taking screenshots of the screen as they were coming up. So this is excellent thing. Like some of the things that you have said have struck with me so hard that I mean, I was feeling aesthetic after listening to all of this, and it just changed my perspective on so many things. I'm just thankful to you, and I think this is like one of the no-brainer decisions that I've done in terms of doing the mentorship, sorry, the internship, and luckily I got in immediately. Like my 13th batch, I applied and I immediately got in. So that was one good luck, and I'm really happy. Looking forward to learning from you, sir, and
Fantastic.
also from the team.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you for being part of the program.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes.
you so much, sir.
Priyanka Pandey can go next.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have applied your batch last batch 4, I think so. But due to any circumstances, I can't join it now. I can't join. So that's why I have a chance to join the batch 13. It's a great opportunity for me for the change. And I have to chase you, and I am following you last 3 years also. So it's a good opportunity to work with you and making a part of your internship and learning something new and creative new. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you for being part of the program.
Yes,
Next, Ajmodin Shaikh.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening. Nice to see you, sir. And I used to hear your voice on YouTube, and I used to get your. I'm having your email also. And I'm reading your articles, long articles, and I'm really fond of reading. But today, 2 hours, how it passed, I can't really explain. It was like life-changing 2 hours for me, because at this stage of life I was very frustrated. I took a lot of courses, I had a lot of mentors, and it was over crowded for me. But after like hearing you, attending your webinars, your YouTube channel, and every little aspect of digital marketing and the personality you should be in, it really shook my head, shook me. And yes, I am at the right place today, and I am damn sure after this internship time and my full energy into it, I will success in this digital marketing. Just I don't know, I'm really very overwhelmed. I just want to thank you for giving an opportunity for internship program, and I assure you that I successfully will complete this program. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So a lot of people want to come in, and I will put on one by one. So guys who are not yet panelists, just wait. And rest of the people, just try to keep it quick, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. And I will call one by one. When I call your name, you can unmute yourself, talk, and then you can mute yourself. So next we can go with Pallavi.
Hello everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, sir. I'm a student and I was really looking forward for a perfect digital marketing course. I'm really interested in taking my career in digital marketing and explore the area in the more. And I was trying to join your course since a very long time, and I don't know what happened every time. My leg doesn't count with me, and it just messed up. So I don't know how much difficult it was to get enrolled or into this program, but I'm really glad that I finally made it. And when I was listening to that 2-hour video, I was literally having goosebumps around on my body, because it is all negativity. It is all negativity around these days, and I was also into a negative state of mind. So the video kind of worked as a motivational source for me. So I'm looking forward to watch the video again and again whenever I feel down. So thank you very much. Looking forward to work with you and all the members here. So thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, Pallavi. Next, Mohammed Saifuddin.
So hi Deepak.
Hi.
So firstly, I'm happy to choose you as a mentor because like I'm following you from like past couple of 3 years, and I would just say is like the video was so amazing that it is so helpful to change a mindset and to start a new career and to create a new 2.0 version of us. So yeah, so the video was very amazing, I can tell you, and it was very different from the digital marketing webinars, what you do, what are the contents you share, but this was the very different video what you have shared, and it is, I can tell you, it is worth the price what we paid.
Fantastic.
So thank you.
Great. Thanks a lot. And we are just getting started, right? So I wanted to keep this kind of video to, only for the exclusive program like this. If such deep topics are spoken in a normal open webinar, sometimes people might not appreciate it. So great. And next we can go with Brunda Naik. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, sorry. Hi.
Hi.
Thanks for the opportunity. I'll keep it short and simple. Wonderful video. My main takeaway is how I am my own enemy, and being aware of it is, at least I'll work on it. So I really wanted to talk to you. I am the one who sent you a message on Deepak Kanakaraju Facebook post. You're my last resort with the hope of learning something and really getting something back. I work in an MNC, and I recently finished an extensive training with Simply Learn, and I was really devastated because I had high hopes. So I'm really keeping myself open to learning, and I hope that I can really do something, and I can do something in freelancing. So you're my last resort in believing anything.
Thank
to be
you.
honest.
Thank you for putting that trust, and we will exceed the expectations, not just me, but as a team.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. Next, we can go with Pompa Ghosh.
Good evening, Deepak sir. Good evening, everyone. It's very nice to be here. In fact, Deepak sir, I would like to say that I had signed in for the free course that was last year, but I could get around to only the 5th or the 6th class. And when you said that free thing now doesn't really, we don't see value in it. It's absolutely right. And another thing I would like to add here, sir, that is when you speak, vocally, or you speak through your mails, or you speak through your adverts, your sincerity really comes across. That's really pulled me in. I mean, you really, really want us to do better. It's not that you're talking about yourself or third person or something like that. That really pulled me in. I was really impressed. And even Kamna, when she took, a couple of days back, that was also a very nice thing. I love the sincerity. Like, I am 52 years old and I believe, like, if I live up to 80, I would want to be working till 80. And that's and that's something which I don't see many people agreeing with me, which answers your first question, that what people don't, I was referring to that. Another thing, sir, which I wrote was, I really liked what you said about the lizard brain. That was really nice and very interesting. And I'm actually a pharmacy graduate. So the way you spoke about lizard brain was very nice. And secondly, sir, there was the common thing which people say, that when you get to the top, it's lonely. But you said it very nicely, that when you get to the top, there's less competition there. That's such a positive thing. I really liked it. And the last but not the least was your interesting brain dump. That was just amazing, I mean, we keep thinking, I mean, our brains are so overloaded, we just don't realize it. And they're just 2-3 words, brain dump. I think that if we can really do it, really do it, and we do it sincerely, that can really get our focus back on so many things, That's all I want to say. And I'm like so happy to be here. Thank you. Thank you.
Fantastic. Glad to have you in the program.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next, we can go with Valluru Lakshmi.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, firstly, I would like to say one thing, that you're a great life mentor than a digital mentor. I was really touched and moved by watching your welcome note to the digital program, which you sent us around 10 days or 2 weeks prior to this. And I was really touched and moved by this, sir. And firstly, I was expecting something like a week 1 class would be something like SEO or PPC, but I was surprised to see something like this. Actually, daily I woke up around 4 a.m. and I start pursuing some courses and I do some activities. And by the time 9:30, I was really sleepy. But after seeing that introduction, I had a cup of coffee and I finished everything in 2 hours, and I was really excited to interact with you, sir. And I'm really, really grateful to have a mentor like you. Keep doing this kind of stuff, sir. I'm really, I can't simply appreciate better than this. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And one of the things that most of the people are saying is that they did not expect that the first video will be something completely different on a digital marketing program, right? So they say that you have to attract people with what they want and give them what they need, right? So it's like putting like a poster out saying that hey, this is fast food restaurant with spicy food, and then as soon as you go in, then I give you like salads and healthy food. So that's how it is. Digital marketing is what people want to learn, but success is not just about SEO and blogging and all those things, right? So I think that's one of the angles that we took a little bit. And also first 3 batches, we did not have the success mindset video and everything. And then we had a feedback session with the first 3 batches, and they said that this might be a good addition. So that's how we listened to the students, we listened to the customers, and that's how this came along. But obviously as soon as you go to week 2, week 3, and then we will start getting into digital marketing. Cool. So next we can go with Ashutosh.
I would like to pitch in, sir, and I would like to add something to what you said.
Add, and then we'll go. Yeah,
sure. So the success mindset video that everybody has just got the chance to watch, I was in batch 2 and we didn't have this video. But there is something that, I'm learning something from DD every single day, which I would like to tell you, everybody. I like a lot of my relatives and friends ask me, like, how long will you be in this job? And guess what? What do I reply? I tell them that, even if somebody gives me 3 times the salary of what I'm getting right now, I won't leave this. And The only reason is the camaraderie, the vibe that the team has. And where does that vibe and camaraderie comes from? Is from DD himself. What I have learned, the biggest thing, I used to be a business owner and then I'm working under DD. And that's kind of, a weird thing for anybody to accept. But I used to run a full-fledged gym. I used to handle my father's business. And what I really wanted to, learn from DD, which I'm getting fortunately every single day, is how to make decisions. And by the time you complete these 16 weeks, you would get what I want to say. So I just wanted to put this across because I get to learn this life from you, sir.
Fantastic. Great. Really fortunate to have someone like Divya as part of the team. He sometimes I end up learning a lot from him. He keeps reading, he keeps sharing something within the team.
That is great to hear.
and if at all Divya is gifting me something, I know for sure it's a book.
By the way, you said that, right? So this book, I got this myself too. Okay. And when I was going through this is so statistical. I was like, what did I send, sir? Will you like this or not?
Yeah, I will get around to it. I have a lot of books to start reading. Cool. So yeah, next Ashutosh.
First of all, sir, I would like to thank for having me on board. Actually, I never thought being a 15-year-old, someone would have me as an intern. Actually, I was not clear with the internship program first. I thought like working in a company as an intern, and I was really very excited. And after that, I came across your concept. Previously, I invested in a lot of paid courses and all. And I was just losing interest after 1 to 2 videos. Because it was well focused. Theoretically, we were getting to learn things. But when I came to this internship program, each word of yours, it actually didn't bore me. Everything it was giving, a single word of yours was giving a new positive vibe to me.
Fantastic.
And I think it would be a really great journey for me and have a great impact in my career too.
Yes,
Thanks, sir.
Fantastic. And I think everybody here should, kind of kudos to Ashutosh. How old are you, Ashutosh?
I'm 15 years old.
Fantastic, man. Great. I mean, like if you are getting started with all this stuff at 15, imagine if I had got started with, all this stuff when I was 15. Like I can't imagine, by the time you are like 33, 35, you'd be like probably 10x more successful than, what any of us in this.
Actually, I was even planning to start earlier, but because of I was in 10th, my parents were just telling me focus on boards and all. And really, I just started 3 months ago. I started my business and I was really exploring about digital marketing and all to promote my products and all. Finally, I got to expand my business a bit within my city and got some of my friends with me, working with me. But it was not that effective without learning digital marketing. So I thought the necessity of learning digital marketing. That's why I enrolled for the program.
Fantastic. And we have had people like 15 years old, 16 years old before, but I'm really impressed by your communication skills and the finesse that you have. You will go a long way. All the best.
Thanks.
Cool. So next we can go with Amin.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Thank you very much for getting me on board. Thank you to Divya and the entire team. And I also want to wish luck to the 15-year-old Ashutosh who has started a business at the age of 15. And he's on the right track, brother, man. I wish you all the best and success in your life. So yeah, I am a speaker. I have taken webinars and sessions for a recognized company, and I'm out of words after looking at this video. But trust me, the sincerity and the honesty with which the video is made can be felt. That was the beauty about this video. I did not feel that a video was going on. I really felt that you were talking live in front of us. So that was the beauty about the video. And it connected. I belong here. That the feeling started coming in over here because that's what I'm doing. I'm a speaker and I'm out of words for it. Okay. I seriously am out of words for it.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
And in order to grow your new you have to forget your old you, your identity. That was the part that clicked me, that we get so connected to our old identity that we stop growing. So we have to forget our old identity to make a new identity and grow it. So thank you very much. And I wish all my participant friends all the best as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Next, Faiz Khan. Go ahead.
Hi, sir. It's
Hi.
like I'm so surprised to speak with you. I myself, I'm an economics student. From the beginning of the video, it really got connected. I'm very surprised the way you teach. It all felt like you are really like very near to us, and you're teaching very lively. Every word of yours was like striking my back. When I think of my back, no, when I think of my past, everything strikes like what all mistakes I had made and what all I could have done and what all I need to do right now and how I can grow and what all people speak. It's all like it's very worthy, sir. I really feel very blessed to join your digital team. Thank you for onboarding me.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Great, great. Cool. So next we can go with Shiv Kumar.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Deepak. Good evening, Divya, and good evening to the entire team. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak now. I would say the first week session, it was like eye-opener for me. It was like a favorite movie being played. The favorite movie is me being, seen in that movie as a main character. And my entire life flashed. And I said, okay, these are the points which I've been thinking, but where am I doing? 9 to 5, 9 to 5, 9 to 5. I'm going to work, doing something, and I wanted to learn something in the evening, but nothing is happening. So what I could see is I want to create a new version of myself, which I couldn't do, but I just got connected the way Mr. Deepak has put everything into a place, and he's actually given a buffet kind of flavors. He's given all the flavors, and what I could see is he's actually asking us not just to be a digital marketer, he's helping us to grow holistically. So that is what I actually liked. And you actually showed mirror to me, in front of my face. I know it looks awkward at the same time. It also makes you feel a little difficult. I don't speak this much, but let me tell you, it was like a punch in my face. I clearly see that I'm in my way of me becoming big. So I really accept that. And I also share with the community right now, in case if you see somewhere that I'm lacking or lagging behind or giving reasons, please hold me to account. And I give a word that I'll do the best whatever I could do.
I'll just hold your money if you don't do the assignments.
I got that. And then
now you see why the program is structured that way.
Thank you so much. And
Thanks a lot.
Last word I would like to say is I am touched, moved, and inspired by the entire video. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Next, we can go with Harshita. I've been waiting for some time, I guess.
Yes, sir. So it's a great opportunity interacting with you. And I have noted lots many points in my diary, and so that I can feel energized looking at that. And I cannot imagine if the start is like this, so enthusiastic and amazing. So how would be the upcoming videos? So I'm very glad, so that it is a great opportunity for me to join DDIT. Thank you so much, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Next, we can go with Rahul Kumar.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. It is loud and clear.
Loud and clear, yes.
Thank you very much for giving the opportunity to be on this board. Thank you, Divya. And in the video, I've learned many things. And I have some questions, but I'm just on one question I would like to ask. What human psychology you have read? Because digital marketing, I think, according to my point of view, what digital marketing is.
Your voice is not clear, Rahul.
Yeah. It is clear?
Yeah, it's better, a little bit better. Yeah.
According to my point of view, what human psychology books you have read, because digital marketing is just you have to understand the customer. Is it right? The behavior of customer and talking and actually going through the subconscious mind of the customer. So will you require some books, psychological books, so to understand the customer?
Yeah. Cool.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
a lot. I think there is a little bit of voice issue, and that will definitely connect again in such an interaction.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Banu.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak with you. I feel glad that I'm a part of this DDIP program. I've been waiting to join this program since last year. I mean, the batch 12. I got to enroll, but I couldn't because of some personal reasons and circumstances. And yes, sir, the first week's video that you have sent us is something that I have never expected. And yes, I'm very much excited to be part of this. And yes, sir, I loved it. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Next, we can go with Gopalakrishnan. I think you have to unmute yourself, and yeah, you're unmuted, but we can't hear you yet. All right, we will get back to you, Gopal Krishnan. I think there is some audio issue. Sunil Chaudhary.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
It's a great opportunity to be with you. Actually, I had been trying to join this course for a long period, but due to different reasons, I could not. The main reason was like I was not eager to learn. But in last 1.5 years, I have realized that in order to grow, I have to learn a lot. And after watching your video, it clearly says that how uncomfortable the change is. We have to become our 2.0 version in order to grow, learn, and change our lives.
Yes.
And I'm looking forward to learn a lot from you. Actually, I have been doing digital marketing for 7 years, but I feel strongly now, I feel that I lack so many things and I need to learn a lot. And I am hoping that I will be learning everything from you. That's
Fantastic. Great.
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible now. Go ahead.
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm waiting for last year
I know.
to join this program. I'm also mailing you to deepak@pixeltrack.com because during pursuing my MBA, I don't have that much time to that one. That's why I'm an MBA graduate actually. And now I'm working in an MNC. Now I have some times. My shift is changes. I'm very glad to part of this program. Actually, your content is very good, sir. What you're sending the email, I will read all the emails. Like that contents that needs what you're putting in the headlines are very, very good. It's the time to attract the peoples when they see that emails, that headlines means you're putting very good.
Yes.
I'm part of your email last 2 years.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next, we can go with Rimal.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. So, sir, I'll tell you a very fun fact.
Your audio is a little bit low. Maybe try to keep the mic nearby.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's better.
So, sir, I was saying that I'll tell you a very fun fact. It is raining right now here in Delhi. It's raining a lot, and I'm not a person who can sit inside when it's raining. But your video got me so hooked up that I couldn't step out. I couldn't pause the video and move out. And your words have made a home in my heart and my mind. And I will always go back to this video whenever I'm feeling low. I'm a very anxious person in real life. So my jaw is always clenched and my tongue is always touching the upper surface. So but while listening to your video, I was so calm that it was for the first time in so many months that I could feel that my jaw is not clenched, and I am so motivated to learn so much from you. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for being part of the program.
Thank you.
Next, we can go with Suaib. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but Ibrahim, yes. Go ahead. You have been waiting for some time. You have to unmute yourself. Yes.
Okay. My name is Shuaib Ibrahim.
Shuaib. Okay.
Ibrahim. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I've been following you in Facebook for three or 4 years, I think. But I now only I became your lead. Okay, I subscribed your mail course, 100 days mail, right? Digital marketing course. Okay. Then I got information about the internship program, and then I applied for it. I was sure that I really appreciate your content. It was highly useful, and professionally I'm a consultant psychologist, and I'm stepping into digital marketing now. Okay. For our business. When I watched your video, the first video, I was super excited when you started with marshmallow test, marshmallow experiment, and you have given us too much points for really life-changing, really life-transforming points for us. We didn't expect this from a digital marketer. Okay. Thank you so much.
Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Me here. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
Next, we can go with Rakesh.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Sir, I'm currently a mechanical engineer, sir. Like I just passed out right now. I'm a successful procrastinator. Yeah,
procrastinator.
Yeah, almost like I've been doing nothing. Actually, since last 16 days, my day starts with your mail at 1 o'clock, sir. Like today, the mail about lead magnets and all are very inspiring, and I would like to thank you on this opportunity. I'm really looking forward. I actually wanted to enroll this as a side hustle, but I don't know. But going through this video and everything, but it is giving a vibe of that it could be my best shot, and probably looking forward to pass the marshmallow test, and wanted to fly in colors like a good butterfly, sir. That's it.
Yes. Fantastic. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next, we can go with Surinder Kaur. You have to unmute yourself. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I am Surinder Kaur. Basically, I'm a teacher. From 21 years, I was continue teaching. And March, and I resigned for my post, TGT Mathematics. And April month, I was not feeling well. I am not in touch with teaching. And then I tried one Facebook ads. And by this, I came to know you. Before, I don't know you. I have now listened your name, and I joined your free webinar, and my interest was creating, and my age is today, my birthday is there, 51-year-old I am, and 52 is starting, and still my family
Today is your
sometimes.
birthday.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Very
Nice.
good.
Everybody wish her a
Started.
happy birthday.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
This create my interest, and sometimes my family members are thinking, will you do? Have you filled the fee? You will. So I think I will do. I decided if I not get anything, but I will learn. My
Yes.
dedication is there. I will do, sir. I will prove myself.
Definitely. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we can go with Manisha Goyal.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Hi.
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to be part of this program. I must say this program is really this 2 hours of whole session was very interesting and amazing. And I am a mother of 3-year son. Till 9 to 12 years, 12 he was roaming around. I asked my husband to please manage my kid so that I can sit here for 2 hours, and it was really very meaningful. The whole word, each and every word of yours was very meaningful, and it was very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. All the best. Next, we can go with Divyansh.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, thank you, sir, for the opportunity. I don't know how will I do this because I'm very anxious to know how will I complete assignments, and I don't know anything about digital marketing. I don't know how will I create website, domain, and everything. So it is. I'm very anxious to know how will that start and how will I get the help for it. So,
No problem. We are here to help you, and we are here to help you help yourselves as well. So if everybody here can do it, you can also do it. I have seen your enthusiasm on the chat box. You have been quite anxiously chatting. It has been noticed. And I noticed that you are also afraid of Divya, sir.
yeah, I'm very afraid of Divya, sir.
Cool. So you are the exact kind of
What
person
on
that
earth
we have
have I
designed
ever
this
done?
program for.
What on earth have I ever done that he's afraid of me before
Just
the
looking
start
at
of
you,
the
some
program?
people get scared, no? Okay, Divya sir looks very strict.
You also told he's strict, so I just thought I should not have sent a message.
We notice everything. So cool. So no problem, man. You will do good. No problem. Cool. So next we will go with Ankit Singh.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, thank you so much for providing me this opportunity. I'm really grateful for this. And I have been following you for the last couple of months, sir. And I always receive your mail, and that's really helpful for the career perspective. And regarding that video which I have like seen a few minutes back, so that was very insightful, and really looking forward for for nice career opportunity after joining this course. Thank you so much, sir.
All the best. Thank you for joining. All right. So next we can go with Shirin.
Hi everyone. Hi Deepak sir.
Hi.
First of all, I really thank you for giving me an opportunity to join this internship program. I was continuously watching your webinar since batch 9, and finally I got this opportunity. I'm really excited to work with each and every aspect to be master in digital marketing, sir. And I'm ready to face all the challenges and to overcome it. And I really want to make my career so high so that I can deal with not only the nationwide, I really want to go worldwide in terms of as a perfection of digital marketer. Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward to work with you. I really just want to ask one thing, sir. Personally, I do not use social media so much. Like I do not use WhatsApp, Telegram. So is it really necessary to be updated with the batch?
It's not necessary, but I would recommend that you create like an anonymous profile and probably get like an artwork done, which kind of vaguely resembles like or what you represent.
Yes, I
and
can.
try to communicate on social media.
Yes,
with
sir. I can create my profiles, but especially I'm asking for a Telegram group, sir.
I mean, you can, I would recommend that you can go ahead and create a Telegram account, but if you are hesitant to kind of put yourself out there, you can maybe just create a username and just put a random profile picture there, but it's still going to be something that it's a community driven program. So you would extract maximum out of it, but it's still not compulsory. If you
No,
just
sir,
want
I
to
will create my profile itself and I'll we explore to the world. Okay,
Then,
okay.
then I
Thank
mean,
you.
like
Thank you so
digital
much.
marketing is all about connecting with people. So
Yes, yes, sir.
we have
Yes,
to
yes.
put ourselves out there.
So yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Next, we can go with Shubham, if you are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hi, Shubham.
Hello. First of all, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
So, first of all, I'm feeling really very glad that I have finally enrolled in this internship program. And like I've been knowing you since years. Like when I used to get your video lectures in my Gmail inbox. And at that time, I started taking an interest in digital marketing. And but because learning online was not a thing at that time, so I had opted for an offline class.
Okay.
Basically, my course got completed and it went all good. But what I was getting is just knowledge and nothing else. All I lacked was implementation and accountability, which when I saw your webinar, I got to know that these are the extra things I'll be getting in. Also, I think on your birthday, when I had enrolled for your birthday bundle course, at that time I was like, I got a link, I signed up and I registered and I got all your free courses. And that time I was like, चलो अच्छा है, course मिला and free में मिला वो भी. Like I didn't have to pay you this amount. But then I realized that there were some things missing, like as in social media, affiliate marketing, alone. But when I joined the webinar, I got to know more things like about the assignments and all those things, which just drove me into just getting into it. And looking forward to grow in digital marketing along with you and your team.
Yes.
And
Fantastic.
just thank you, sir.
Great. Great. Thank you. Thank you for being part of the program and all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we can go with Atif. I think
Call
Atif.
started at 9 o'clock and at 12:30 we still have
Yeah,
120
hello.
people.
Yeah. Hey, Atif.
Oh, yeah, hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
So finally,
Good morning.
after attending the good morning, yeah. Normally, I just doze off by 10:45, but I'm awake, waiting for my chance to come. So I got the chance to, enroll with you for the after, getting the second webinar. I attended. I also spoke to Divya. If he remembered, I was in office. I took a break for 10 minutes, and I was satisfied the way he talked to me. And one thing I would like to tell you after seeing this video, like after the moment after spending 2 hours, the video ended, and it seems like the today is like first day for the rest of my life. What I have been through earlier now seems to be very changed from today onwards, and I'm still looking. I have just joined the Telegram group. I am also on the 14th day of the generation lesson. What is being sending me mails for every day. So yeah, looking forward to do it and awaiting to getting my own. I have my own travel agency, but you know what has happened to hospitality and aviation industry right now. So it's all gone for a toss. So once the market blooms, we will I will also come up with this particular scenario where I'll be promoting my own website. I'll be promoting my own business through this channel. And it was a pleasure. And I really feel honored to, join the group and taking this initiative where I can, inculcate my own dreams, and there's so much to learn from you from start to bottom. Every video, every word, every sentence. It is like, I thought I was like, the moment I logged in, I was like with my pen and paper and my laptop or Desi. I expect कि आज ही सब चालू हो जाएगा. It was totally different, but I loved it, sir. So like very few webinar I would remember for the rest of my life. This would be amongst one of them.
Fantastic. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good night to everyone who's on live. I shall doze off. I have to go in the morning for my office by 7 o'clock, and we'll see for the next lesson once come. And even I've joined the group, so looking positive ahead, and let's see what best coming for me, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. So We will go with just 2 more interactions. We will go with Darshan and Dharma Reddy. They have been waiting for a while. And then we will probably do another live interaction like this soon, probably next week. I think the amount of people who want to talk is just unlimited, but it's pretty late. So we'll go with Darshan.
Hi Deepak, how are you? Good evening, first of all.
Your voice is very low.
Hi Deepak, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
So how are you? Good evening, first of all. And I would like to say thank you for this internship and the amazing community you are providing. And I am feeling very positive for this community as it is giving good vibe. Like all these people from age 15 to 50 and their enthusiasm for learning. So thank you for that.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thanks a lot for being part of the program. Next, we can go with Dharma Reddy.
Hi Deepak sir, good morning.
Good morning.
And Divya Kothari sir also good morning. I'm very glad to connect with you in these 3 months. I first connected in the April month with one of the YouTube video link. And I'm very thankful, and you have saved my life with your mail, Are You Selfish? That made my life. And this orientation is the second 2.0 Dharma Reddy manual. I believe that I can change my life, and I follow you. That day onwards, I mentally prepared that you are my life mentor. Thank you so much. Thank you to giving this opportunity. I will scope up myself. Whatever you are saying that whenever I watching that video, it is for me, myself only. Whatever you are saying, all the negative points, now I am that current stage, but definitely I will follow you, and I will come up with my state of little bit up, and I will definitely connected with you. This is a very good thought, and God will send as a messenger in my life. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Dharma Reddy, and thank you for being part of the program. And huge gratitude for everyone who joined the program with taking that leap of faith, because this guy is asking for so much money, promising that he will give back. Should I trust him or not? But still 500 people trusted and jumped in, right? So that's what every time I'm grateful for. Cool. So thanks everyone, and it's pretty late, and we will definitely do another interaction like this. Great start of the entire batch, great start of the program, and look forward to interacting you within the Telegram group. And we will be releasing the schedules, we'll be releasing the content calendar, and we just got started, right? So I promise that each and every video in the internship program, all the way up to the 16th video, will be as good as the first video that you have watched. That is the amount of effort that I have put into each and every video. Almost each and every video has taken 30 to 40 hours to create that video, in terms of research, in terms of editing, the images, the slides, and review, and all those things. We are also now working with an agency where we are looking at converting all these videos into vernacular languages as well. So the main English video will also be there. Plus on top of it, we will have a bunch of top languages in India, so that people can kind of rewatch it in their local language as well. So thanks a lot, and really glad to see more than 100 people still live at 12:27 a.m. Fantastic. So thank you guys, and good night. And thank you, Divya, for staying back as well.
Thank you, sir, and thank you everybody for this opportunity, and welcome to the program.
Yes.
So I'll be sending the emails regarding the further things for everybody here, so nothing to worry.
Yes, good night and bye-bye.